I was about to say, did that whole thing come off? It's like, it's cold out here. I don't even know how cold it is. There's a baby. Mom, is that a tree or did that branch come off a tree? That's either a tree or that's a branch. Right there?
That's a rock.
No, that. Right.
I don't see it.
This.
That?
This thing. Right here, the tree.
Oh, that's just a tree.
Okay, I don't know. It's so cold out here.
Okay, I was about to say, hey Mom, I think there's something wrong with you. No, I thought. Yeah, I'll go down there in a minute too.
It is cold.
Oh my word, it's a red.
Oh,
It's Mario. It's a Mario.
It's me, Mom. And Ivy.
I don't know if there's that much damage.
nothing not bad as it was.
Oh, I remember when it happened.
Last hurricane we had was just sad. Last one was just some rain, it was gone.
Oh!
Okay.
Wait, no, not X.
No, she did not notice it. She did not notice it. She jumped into it.
For some reason, my mind said X, but whatever. Goodness.
Mom, let's go check the other way. That was funny though.
That was there before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch out for me, doggy.
It's cold out here.
It's freezing. And you don't mind them filming.
Yeah.
It's crazy. That was a lot of wind. And that's just our bird pile. Did not think that's things that came.
Look at doggy footprints. I don't want to be in like your video.
Take off your toe. There you are. Hi, baby. Baby.
Crap.
Hey, baby.
I'm gonna head back down.
Okay. Crap. Go, Smoke Show. We're gonna get them. Ow! I almost just got my foot choked. Another gigantic puddle. Come on, Smoke Show. Yeah, be a smart one. Be really smart now, okay? This rock's looking fine. We left them up here because we have no more use for those. And they don't work. Looks like most of the damage is down by the house.
Yeah, I just saw that tree. I wonder if it was stuck underneath this tree too.
Probably some damage.
some in the woods too, but I don't want to go in there and risk a tree falling on us.
Yeah. Big trees especially. Oh! Another big puddle. It's like marsh puddle. And she ran across it.
There's gonna be a big one over there, Mom.
Yeah, most likely. Usually hurricanes or large storms, always big puddles like that. It's like never this cold in summer, but it's just because after a hurricane, with all the water and the fact that there's no sun, and the clouds are covering us, and there's wind.
Cold front went through.
What?
And a cold front went through.
And a cold front went through?
Oh, I knew it.
So double damage? You want to check at the tree? You want to check the tree? Looks like lots of branches are down. This is an old tree. Yep. Mom, that got split in half.
Oh wow.
The part got split off.
Look at that one.
That is an old tree. You can tell just how the bark looks. What? That's a big one! Oh, cactus, Mom. Mom, we have some cacti growing over here. Big puddle. Good. Big puddle. Baby. Some pine straw. Dog sprays. Sadly, 6 people left the earth with this hurricane. That's a big branch. And millions of people's homes got flooded, especially in like Tallahassee, Florida. And it's still moving. It's still a monster. Still growing. And with that, hopefully we don't have any bigger ones. I know it's still going through North Carolina. It's gonna hit North Carolina, South Carolina, get storms, crazy storms like tornado type storms, even though that's what a hurricane produces. That's been there, hopefully. That's been there, right, Mom? That has been there before?
I'm not entirely sure. It looks like it though. It looks like it's been there a while.
That's the thing that cut me. The chicken wire. My enemy. Whoa, muscadines. My enemy.
Mom, look. Look at Bud's water!
Oh no.
Dumpster.
Hey, Bud.
And yes, we have our own dumpster. We are a family of 13. Trash from the dumpster. Trampoline. Looks a tad bit messed up. That fell down. That was up. That's from the dumpster. Branches. This is like the end to the hurricane shorts. That tree looks a little broken down.
Is it leaning more than it was?
It looks no, that one was leaning before.
Was it already leaning? Okay.
Yeah, it was like it's like that whenever like we cut the other tree. A van for filling up to 14 because how big our family is. Hi, baby! Hi! Mom, what I'm truly wondering is that thing got flooded and the water was that bad. This looks the same. Remy, you want a pine cone? Go get the pine cone. She's running after a pine cone. Kyle, you're being filmed. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Very, very wise words. More branches. I'm gonna check over here. Lots more branches. Branches, leaves, branches. More branches. Woods looks fine. That looks fine. Just lots of branches everywhere. Damage from this hurricane was definitely not as bad as Irma. I remember that was hurricane that was not good at all. That was a terrible hurricane for everyone. We have wood under these for our inside of that place. We don't want them to get wet. So we had to put cinder blocks, heavy rocks on top of it. Things our dad isn't home either. So those are big branches. This tree already got struck by lightning right down through there. You can kind of see this and that. That's where it got struck. More branches. That's a big boy. Another one. We really had to prepare. Lots of branches everywhere. That branch is just sticking up. I'm gonna go check out the backyard. We put that down. That did not fall down. We put that down. What are you doing? We put that down. Do not worry. That was there for trying to protect the generator. Percy? Nope. Looks like not like any damage in the backyard. A glass. It's a. If you can know, that's a beer bottle, I think, from the other owners of this house. That literally is a piece of chalk that looks like a circus peanut. Or a Cheeto Puff. Oh, there's a baby. I see her. She knows it's me. Okay, I'm gonna go. This video will end. And big thank you to first responders for keeping us safe during all of this. But we didn't get the bad part. Florida got all the bad parts. So just stay safe during Hurricane Helene.